We are inside Jaybird's testing area to demonstrate the Turbo XE2000. Hello, my name is Miranda. This area has a black wall, curtains, and shielded lighting to help illuminate the fog for the camera. Okay, turn the unit on. The unit is fogging at 1 gallon per hour. This is a popular fogging rate when using the Turbo XEs for odor control applications. Output is nearly invisible, even under the lights, with extremely fine atomization and near instant particle evaporation. Particles average less than 5 microns in size, with liquid to vapor conversion at 100% and no wastewater flowing down the drain line. Okay, up it to 2 gallons per hour. Another very popular fogging output, generally used for chemical product fumigation. This higher output still produces excellent quality dry fog, with water particles averaging about 5 microns. Up it to 5 gallons per hour. This is one of the most popular fogging outputs for manufacturing type applications. This setting can cover large areas, but the fog evaporates quickly enough to keep all nearby equipment and floors dry. At this higher rate, fog quality is still amazingly fine, with fast and efficient evaporation and average particle size at 10 microns. Bring it to 10 gallons per hour. This output can be utilized in mushroom growing, produce storage, warehouses, and manufacturing humidification. At this high output, you may see a small percentage of fallout. However, if you have the ability to mount the unit up high, the fallout can be greatly reduced. At the higher output, you can better see the power behind this unit and how it effectively circulates the humidity. The output is plentiful, and the fog quality is very good, with particles averaging 15 microns in size. Okay, up it to 20 gallons per hour. This is an ideal output for large mushroom beds, concrete curing chambers, or greenhouse propagation. The output is impressive, and the fog quality is very good, with particles averaging 25 microns in size. Here's a look at the volume of water coming from the drain line when operated at 20 gallons. At this high setting, wastewater is about 25% of the flow rate. The wastewater percentage decreases significantly at lower settings. At 5 gallons per hour, wastewater is 9%. Okay, open up the flow valve to 30 gallons per hour. That's a lot of fog. At this very high flow rate, there will be some fallout or wetness near the unit. Typical applications for this rate are greenhouses and outdoor cooling. Average particle size is 35 microns. I hope this was helpful. There's one other video in this series called Amazing Fog Action that I think you'll love. Check it out. If you have any questions about the Turbo XE or would like to order, visit our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.